हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज मैं जो वीडियो बताऊंगा वो हम इस वीडियो में सीखेंगे कि हम पैरामीट्रिक फंक्शन का डेरिवेशन कैसे करते हैं या प्राचलिक फलन का आकलन कैसे करते हैं। तो इससे पहले हमको पता होना चाहिए कि ये पैरामीट्रिक फंक्शन है क्या। व्हाट इज ए पैरामीट्रिक फंक्शन। तो हम पहले देखते हैं कि पैरामीट्रिक फंक्शन क्या होता है। A parametric function in sometimes x and y given in third variable function. The third variable is known as parameter and in this type of equation are known as parametric equation. In sometimes x and y given in third variable function, the third variable is known as parameter and in this type of equation are known as parametric equation. We know parabolic equation is y square equal to 4ax, but in this equation variable given are two, y and x. It is not a parametric equation if x equal to 280 and y equal to 80 square in these two equation and we are another variable t in both equation but t are parametric. अब हम मेथड टू फाइंड द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ पैरामेट्रिक इक्वेशन। अब हम प्राचलिक फलन का डेरिवेशन कैसे फाइंड करते हैं अब हम उसके बारे में बताएंगे। इफ ए फंक्शन x इक्वल टू f1t एंड y इक्वल टू f2t। कंसीडर हमारे पास दो फंक्शन है, एक फंक्शन है x इक्वल टू f1t और एक फंक्शन है y इक्वल टू f2t। वाई t इज इंडिपेंडेंट एंड x एंड y आर डिपेंडेंट क्वांटिटी, देन dy by dx इक्वल टू dy by dt इंटू dt by dx और dy by dx इक्वल टू dy by dt अपॉन dx by dt। ये हमको पता ये हमारा चेन रूल होता है और dy by dx इक्वल टू dy by dt अपॉन dx by dt। अब हम कुछ एग्जांपल्स बताएंगे। क्वेश्चन x इक्वल टू 80 स्क्वायर एंड y इक्वल टू 280, देन फाइंड dy by dx। फर्स्ट इक्वेशन x इक्वल टू 80 स्क्वायर, डिफरेंशिएट विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू t बोथ साइड ऑन दिस इक्वेशन, देन dx by dt इक्वल टू a इज कांस्टेंट, देन टेक आउटसाइड d by dt ऑफ t स्क्वायर। बी वेल नोन डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ टी स्क्वायर इज 2t, जैसा कि हमने पहले वीडियो में बताया है, a डॉट 2t, हेंस dx by dt इक्वल टू 2at। अनदर इक्वेशन इज y इक्वल टू 280 विथ डिफरेंशिएट विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू t ऑन बोथ साइड, हेंस dy by dt इक्वल टू 2a d dt ऑफ t। बी वेल नोन डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ t विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू t इज इक्वल टू 1, hence dy by dt equal to 2a. We get the value of dx by dt and the value of dy by dt. We know formula dy by dx equal to dy by dt upon dx by dt. The value of dy by dt is 280 and the value of dy by dt is 2a. Hence put dy by dt is equal to 2a upon dx by dt is equal to 280, then 2a we get cancel out and dy by dx equal to 1 by t। We take another example, x equal to a cos theta and y equal to b sin theta. In this equation parameter is theta. Theta is independent and x and y are dependent on theta. Find dy by dx. X equal to a cos theta, we get differentiate with respect to theta on both sides, dx by d theta, a is constant, then take outside d by d theta into cos theta. We well known differentiation of cos x equal to minus sin x, hence dx by d theta is equal to minus a sin theta. Another parametric equation y equal to b sin theta, differentiate this equation with respect to theta on both sides, then dy by d theta equal to b is constant, then take outside d by d theta of sin theta. be well-known differentiation of sin x equal to cos x, but theta here theta, then dy by d theta is equal to b cos theta. We know formula dy by dx equal to dy by d theta into dx by d theta is equal to dy by d theta value b cos theta and dx by d theta value is minus a sin theta, then dy by d theta equal to b cos theta upon minus a sin theta, hence minus b by a, b well known cos upon sin is equal to cot theta in trigonometry. Cos x upon sin x equal to cot x. We get another example, x equal to log t and y equal to e power t plus cos t. Here parameter is t is independent and x and y are dependent on t. X equal to log t, differentiate with respect to t, we get dx by dt is equal to d by dt of log t. We well known differentiation of log t is equal to 1 by t. Here another equation y equal to e power t plus cos t, differentiate with respect to t on both sides, we get dy by dt equal to d by dt e power t plus cos t. We well known differentiation of exponential of x with respect to x is equal to exponential of x, but here t then e power t minus b well known differentiation of cos t is equal to minus sin t. Here we know formula of parametric differentiation dy by dx equal to dy by dt upon dx by dt is equal to the value of dy by dt is equal to e power t minus sin t here to here, and the value of dx by dt is equal to 1 by t. We get solve dy by dx equal to t e power t minus sin t. We given two simple example, try to solve y equal to b tan theta and x equal to a sec theta, find dy by dx. Here theta is parameter equation, but there theta is independent and y and x are dependent. Another equation, x equal to cos t and y equal to sin t, find dy by dx. Here t is independent and t is called parameter and x and y are dependent and t, find dy by dx. Thank you.